Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore one of Gmail's most helpful but often overlooked features. It's called Snooze. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior, where we help seniors with those cluttered email boxes. Today we're going to talk about a Gmail feature called snoozing. No, it's not this type of snoozing. It's the snoozing that you can do as a feature of your Gmail. I was surprised the other day when I was giving a talk how few people knew about snoozing. Now, I have a passion in life, and that's to keep my inbox in Gmail at a 0 level. Well, I try hard. Anyway, I use the snoozing feature in Gmail all the time. It's my #1 feature of Gmail. I wanted to share that with you today. If you haven't used this feature, it's something you're really going to want to use. If your inbox is full of messages you want to deal with later, but you're afraid of forgetting about them, this feature is definitely for you. Let's jump in and I'll show you how to use it. So what exactly is snooze in Gmail? Well, it's like hitting a pause button on an email. You temporarily remove the message from your inbox and have it return at a time and date you choose. It's perfect for when you want to deal with something, but not right now. Think of it like a digital assistant. It generally nudges you with that email right when you're ready. No more lost messages or forgotten tasks buried in crowded inbox. All right, let's see where we can find the snoozing feature on the desktop of my Gmail. Now we're in my Gmail box. This is a test site that I use, and you can see that my inbox has a whole bunch of emails. Now, let's look at the first email here, and it's a great one. It's our Tech for Senior newsletter. So if you haven't subscribed, I would encourage you to do so. But let's say, for example, in this newsletter, let's say I just don't have time to look at it right now, but I want to bring it back. And you can say, well, I can just leave it there. But then, you leave a thing and you leave it and leave it and leave it. And pretty soon your email box keeps growing. So let's snooze this. As we come along here, let's go over to the right. And as we come over here to the right, you're going to see a little clock. And if you hover over it, it says snooze. So let's see what we can do here. We're going to click snooze, and we can snooze it to later in the day. We can snooze it to tomorrow. We can snooze it to this weekend or next week. Or we can actually choose a date. Let's pick a date and time. So here we are. We could even say, well, I'm going to do it on Monday morning at 8 a.m. and we're going to save it. There it goes. It's gone. You won't see it till Monday. Hold on. But maybe you're thinking, I might want to see it earlier. Where did it go? Well, if you come over to the left side and you look down on the left side, you'll see this is a folder which we call snoozed. If you open this folder, you can see here is our letter that in the snooze folder. And of course, we can re-snooze it and change the time, or we can unsnooze it. If we come down here to the right, we can unsnooze it and it will go right back into our inbox. Now there's another place that you can snooze it. If we open the email up, newsletter up, and you'll see this is our newsletter. But if I come up here to the top and you'll see these 3 little dots, click that and you'll see it says snooze, and this brings up the same message that you had before. You can either snooze it when the email is open, like in this situation, or if we go back to our inbox, we go over here, we can snooze it without opening it. Now on your phone, the process is just as easy. All right, we're now in Gmail on my mobile device, my Pixel 8 Pro. And you'll see that the first email I have here is called Simple Flying, came in at 11:05 this morning. Let's say I want to snooze this and have it come back at a later date. Let's open this up here And this talks a little bit about the email. But if we come up to these little three-dot menu on the right-hand side, we're going to click this, and there you'll see snooze. If we click snooze, we can snooze it till later today, tomorrow, next week, or we can pick a date, the same as was on our desktop. So let's pick tomorrow, and we'll go OK, and we'll save this, and now of course it's gone. If we come up to the three lines on the left hand side here, we'll come down and you'll see it says snoozed, and this is a label that you have, and this is set up for you, and there at the top you'll see simple flying, which is being snoozed, and that's where it's stored. Now if we wanted to change this is snoozed until tomorrow at 7 a.m. If we wanted to change that, we can come over here, and again we can unsnooze it, and it will put it back into our inbox. So that's how it works on a mobile device. So here are a few pro tips to get the most from Gmail Snooze. Use it to clear your inbox without forgetting tasks. Pair it with Gmail stars or labels for better organization. Check your snoozed folder once a week, just in case you might need to adjust things. Snooze is a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in how you manage your email. Less stress, fewer missed deadlines, and a cleaner, calmer inbox. If this tip helped you, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more quick and easy tech tips, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll never miss an update. Now go give Snooze a try and take back control of your inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.